Hello, this is Harold from Living in the Hill Country, Texas, and this is our greenhouse. We're going to kind of give you an update on where we've been with it since 2018 and where we are now. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness right here in the Hill Country of Texas. All right, so here is our greenhouse. It's a 16 by 28 Grower Solutions greenhouse. It has the 30-inch roll-up sides on it on both the left and the right hand side. We also have I believe it's a 70% shade cover put on it. You can see that. That's that black portion of the top of it. So that kind of shades it. We built it back in 2018, in March of 2018. And if I haven't uploaded the photos of clearing out the land and doing the construction, I will in the future. But at this point, I kind of want to show you what we have going on now. We haven't really used it very much. It's a great commodity to have, and we just haven't been able to act on that potential yet. I'm hoping to do that this fall, and if we do, we'll definitely keep you right along with us. But right now, let's take a walk, and let's go on the inside here. All right, you can see we have some plants growing in here. It is being used a little bit, but it's definitely not being used to its full potential. Plan was to have this all with raised beds along the side and down the center, along with planting stations and potting stations and that kind of thing. We just haven't gotten there. Life has been overly busy, and our occupied time was best served elsewhere. So over here we have some plants. I'm not quite sure what those are. Trees and bushes of sorts, I guess. Lemon tree, looks like. And a couple other ones there. We do have some cucumbers growing here. Look like they're doing rather well. And then, of course, we have tomato plants. Not looking too bad. Like they got some buds going right there. It's kind of nice. Here we have a raised bed that was put down in the center up here. Looks like we have a pepper plant growing. And here's another one, another pepper plant. Whoops. There you go, and then another tomato plant. So that's basically it. One upgrade we did, or one thing we did do, I did put a screen. That is not a door. It's just a screened opening I put on one end so that we could get the draft of the air going through the greenhouse to try and cool it down in here. It gets really hot during the Texas summers. Right now, I think it's about 100 degrees. If we look at that, yeah, we're looking at about 98 degrees right now, and so this is now May 9th, I believe. So anyway, that's kind of an update. Want to get this thing up and running. We're going to get this going hopefully this fall. And if we do, like I said, we'll keep you up to date. Thank you for watching. If you would like to hit the like button, we'd very much appreciate it. Subscribe if you'd like to. If not, that's okay too. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.